I look rough, so we're gonna change this today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is not always the type of video I post, but today I just felt like I needed like a more physical glow up. Sorry, I keep looking here. It's because there's like neighbors passing. Needed that like reset for myself, not like house reset or whatever. Let's be honest, when we look better, we feel better. The only good thing about me right now is my nails. I got these done recently and I'm obsessed with them. I just keep staring at them and like I can't believe how nails can look this shiny and stuff. First thing I'm gonna do is just make a list of the things that I've been postponing, putting off, or just not prioritizing in general. So for example, I've been wanting to bleach just the front of my hair for so long and I don't know why I don't do it. It's just gonna take me like a few minutes before I shower. I just put a streak of bleach, which is like so easy because I usually do my own hair. So we're gonna do this today. So that's one thing. And then there's like small things like oiling my nails, or sorry, my cuticle, like just using my cuticle oil. Most days I'm not even doing makeup, but I just don't do my skincare, which takes me like 5 minutes literally. We're gonna do it today. Guys, speaking of self-care, I received this package. Oh my god. I received this package. It's my first time working with L'Oreal Star. By the way, guys, please don't think that this video is like inspired by this package or anything. It's just literally a coincidence that they sent me like a hair mask. They sent me this Kérastase hair oil. I might use this today because I don't have a hair mask. And they sent me a sunscreen, just if you're curious, and a mascara. Right, so I'm in my room and I decided I'm going to put some oil on my hair. Usually I do this the night before I'm going to shower, but it's okay. Like I can, as long as I put it for like more than half an hour, I think we're good. The only thing is I'm not gonna put it on my roots because like I said, I'm gonna be bleaching this part of my hair. So I think if there's oil, the bleach will not hold correctly. So I'm just gonna put some oil on the tips, like just the ends, not even the tips, like just starting here. And I use this coconut oil from the brand Parachute. I think it's like specifically for hair. Oh shoot, the AC is coming exactly on it. So it like dried. Not dry, like it became hard. It hardened. So never mind that. I'm gonna use my second oil, which it also contains coconut, so same thing. But this one is also argan, like a bunch of other oils, I guess. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Also, I don't want it to get on my shirt. I mean, it will get on my shirt for sure, but it's okay. I just heat it up with my hands and then I'm just gonna do that. By the way, what this does, other than like nourishing your hair or whatever, it also protects your ends from the shampoo when you're showering. So basically, like the first shampoo that I do, because I do shampoo twice, the first shampoo I'm gonna do, the oil will still not be fully gone from my hair, so it protects the shampoo from coming on my hair. And shampoo usually dries your ends. Like you don't need shampoo on the bottom of your hair, you just need it at the roots where it gets greasy and oily. Also decided I'm gonna do a face mask now, not after I shower. The reason why is because the face masks are always big on me and they kind of like touch my hair, and just I don't want to get like the face mask on my clean hair. I have a bunch of face masks and also foot masks and hand masks. My husband got me all sorts of masks. I remember I was kind of sad because I ran out. I just had like two, and it's not that I ran out. I had two face masks, and I noticed that one of them was like open, and I was so sad, and I had to throw it. And then he literally ordered me like a bunch. I'm gonna go with the avocado one. This headband on because, like I said, I'm gonna bleach this part, and I don't want any product to get on the part that I'm gonna bleach. Take off the mask and wash your face with water. Okay, so it's the type that you wash off. Ta-da! While we're here, guys, this is the little cuticle oil thing that I have. And at first I had some actual cuticle oil inside this, but then when it finished, I started refilling it with my normal like hair oils. I mixed the coconut with this one, but since the coconut is just not working right now, I'm just gonna fill it with this. No idea if this is like the best oil for cuticles. I'm sure it's not. Like if you buy actual cuticle oil, it's gonna be a better mixture with like actual things for cuticles. But it's oil, and it hydrates my cuticles when they're like feeling super crusty and dry. And while we're here, let's actually apply some. I just put it like kind of a bit far away from the nail. It's fine if it goes on the nail. It's just gonna like fog them up for a while, but it's okay. But you mainly want to focus on the skin above the nail, and then I just rub it, and I do the like underneath because also my fingers get like super dry under here. I'm actually obsessed with these nails. They look different in each room, like depending on the lighting they kind of reflect more or less. We have a problem. My husband ordered some. That's the problem. I'm gonna have to open. That was so weird. He didn't laugh, but I could tell he wanted to. So we get all our vitamins from iHerb, and that reminds me, I need to take my vitamins today because I've been skipping many days now. This is how I know my period is coming. I'm watching a reel about Messi, the football player, and I'm just crying because like this girl is explaining how like Argentinian people didn't really like him and they doubted him in the beginning or something. It's so stupid. I have no words. Okay, I'm back in my room. I have my bleach bowl. This is my bleach powder, and I think I'm gonna use 10%. Wait, no, I'm not gonna use 10%. I'm gonna use the stronger one, which is 30. Wait, which one's stronger? I think 30 is stronger. I always forget. But I ran out of the 21, which I usually go for. But I want my hair to bleach quickly. So I think 30 is the way to go. And I'm gonna try not to get them on my nails. I don't have gloves, unfortunately. Okay, I got the pieces that I don't need out of the way, and these are the ones I'm gonna focus on. So I take a section and then I go through it like this with, I don't know if it's gonna make sense. Honestly, this is not a tutorial, but just I go like this. So this way I'm not bleaching all the hairs in a straight line. I'm getting like some yes, some no, some yes, some no. Then I get my aluminum foil and I put it underneath the hairs that I do want to bleach. And then I'm just gonna bleach and then close it. Ta-da! Don't forget to fold the aluminum foil this way in the end, or else it will slide off, and if it slides off, it's a mess, trust me, because the bleach will then just go out, you know, like it's just a mess. And just do 2 sections here, 2 sections there, so I basically, it will take me 4 minutes only. All done. That barely took like 10 minutes total. I washed my hands. I did a very good job not getting bleach on my hands. I'm gonna leave them on for like 40-45 minutes, something like that. And I can check them, but it's very difficult to know if they're done because once you open them, they're gonna look white as hell, like yellow white. And sometimes I panic and I just think they're super blonde, but then when I wash it off, they are actually orange. So yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'd rather have them light than orange, you know. Guys, while I'm in the shower, I'm gonna be shaving, and I thought I would just let you know which razor I use. And I think it's very good for sensitive skin, and it's very gentle. And yeah, one tip I have, if you're a girl and you always bleed like me when you shave, like I always, I don't know, rip my skin off or whatever. I think the problem was I used to shave with just like water or like barely any soap or anything. I started to notice how essential it is to have like a mousse or at least like a something that's like on your skin. I don't know. But yeah, it saves me a lot of bleeding. I also have this body scrub, and thank God I remembered because I never use it. So I still have 5 minutes before I need to shower, but I just received an order. I think it's dresses from Commands, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think that's the one. Wow. Oh my god, so pretty. Don't want to spoil too much because I'm gonna do a video showing these dresses. Basically, I got 4 dresses, and I'm gonna let you guys actually pick which one I should wear to my cousin's wedding. It's always a little jump scare once I get out of the shower after I bleach. It looks very yellow, and even for the first few days, I would say I did a pretty good job, I think. Forget everything I said about the tips on how not to bleed when shaving. Everything I do, I just bleed. Like, I scratched myself maybe 2 or 3 times. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Guys, yesterday I was wearing this top, and it's new. I showed it in my last vlog, and I can't believe how wrong I was wearing it. Like, I tied this, but I didn't know there was hooks here. And so it didn't make much sense, but it looked cute. So it was like tied here, and then it opened. So like my whole stomach was out, and I was thinking, this is such a good like pregnancy top, you know, if you had the bump out, and like it was cute. But today I discovered there's hooks and I can close it, and I think it looks cute either way, honestly. Anyways, time to brush my hair. No, brushing your hair while it's wet is kind of damaging, but I try to be as gentle as possible. Plus I use this like leave-in cream, and it makes my hair just so much easier to brush. I start brushing at the ends. This way it's like not as damaging, because if you start here, it's gonna be very hard. So I just slowly go up. Looks patchy right now, but once it dries and I style it, it will not look as patchy. I can see there's a bit of yellow, but it's okay. By the way, I forgot to mention, in the shower I use a purple shampoo when I bleach my hair because it acts like a toner, so any orange, it's going to like cancel it a little bit. It's not like bleach, but it just adds that layer on top that's more like purple than orange, because purple is like the opposite of orange. So yeah, just wanted to let you know, in case someone is gonna recreate this, like do it at home, you also need a purple, like a good purple shampoo. I do one time purple shampoo, and I leave it for like 3-4 minutes, and then I wash it, and then I do normal shampoo. You know what, guys? Every time I bleach my hair, it makes my eyebrows look kind of like dark. you know. That my eyebrows are not very dark, but when I bleach, like, especially the front. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is I'm feeling kind of crazy today, and I'm gonna bleach my eyebrows. Before and after. I think they look cute. It's like a very small difference, but I like it. I feel like they match my hair more. And now is the perfect time for those eye drops, because the bleach here was like burning my eyes. It wasn't coming on in my eyes. Don't let the bleach touch your eyes, guys. I was just talking about the fumes were like getting my eyes watery. Let's do some skincare. Toner. Serum. Cream. Lip treatment. Hey guys, it's been a minute. I had lunch because I was starving, and I also straightened just the top of my hair, and then usually I like just go through the roots so they're a little bit less frizzy, and then the bottom I'm gonna curl it later. But first I decided I'm gonna do my makeup for many reasons. I have 2 content things to film, and I wasn't planning on filming them today, but I feel I'm getting my period soon, and I don't want to postpone it until after my period because I know I'm not gonna feel well during. So yeah, I'm gonna get my makeup done. I feel I'm already looking much better than the beginning of this video. I feel better. I feel just more clean and put together.